For changing the check valve, the very first thing that you need to do is to take note about the direction of the flow that is going. After that, you start from the side that is connected to the flexible hose, opening that side. Once that side is being disconnected, you start from the side that is being connected to the hard pipes. You open that side too. Remove the check valve, and you are replacing that with the other check valve that you are going to be used. Always consider the direction of the flow. You do it the other way, first connecting the hard side in, and then connect the side for the flexible hose. Once two sides are being connected and hand tight, use a wrench to tighten the sides. And your check valve is now being replaced.